Marley, activist, author, and Read Across America ambassador. Are you ready to read, write, and get things done? Let's start with a book. In The Magic in Changing Your Stars, written by Leah Henderson, 5th grader Ailey Benjamin Lane messes up his audition to play the Scarecrow in The Wiz. Even though he loves to rap and dance, he confides to his grandpa that he wants to give up on the whole idea. Grandpa shares a childhood story about how when he was a young boy, he dreamed of becoming a tap dancer, and he was so good that Bill Bojangles Robinson even gave him a special pair of tap shoes. But he was afraid of falling, so Grandpa didn't follow his dreams and secretly regrets it. When Ailey finds Grandpa's tap shoes, he tries them on and is magically transported to the year 1939, where he meets Grandpa as a young boy. Now that Ailey is in the past, he can help Grandpa make different choices and help him change his stars, and maybe even change his own stars too and get back to the future. This book made me think about things I wish I had done, like swimming and being a competitive athlete, and all the things I still want to do, like roller skating. It also made me think about how you can learn from the things you regret, whether they are things you regret doing or things you regret not doing. Reflections on things you wish you had done or said, and things you wish you hadn't done or hadn't said, is something great for you to write in your diary or your journal. Or maybe The Magic in Changing Your Stars will inspire you to write a rap of your own, or get you excited to interview an important adult in your life about an event in their past that they would redo if they finally had the chance. Or get you to think about the future and write a letter to your future self, which I am definitely going to try. Or use your imagination to write your own story about going back in time. Writing for yourself doesn't have to be fancy or formal or hard, so give it a try. This story is also about Black excellence and shines a light on the many forms it takes. All the characters in the book are named after famous Black individuals who personify Black excellence. People like Alvin Ailey and Bill Bojangles Robinson, both famous dancers and activists, and Benjamin Banneker, surveyor, astronomer, and almanac author. These people and others who are listed in the back of the book are people everyone should know about, especially in schools. But, like I learned throughout the 1000 Black Girl Books campaign, a lot more can be done to bring their stories into better view. You can help make people of Black excellence more front and center. First, take some time to learn about them and their stories and pass those stories along. Then, you can offer suggestions to educators and your parents and caregivers in your community about including more figures of Black excellence within curriculums and everyday life. Or ask your school and local library to add more titles featuring the people that should always be remembered. Did this book spark new thoughts or make you wonder about something else? I bet you all have great ideas. Put them into action. I hope you will pick up this Read Across America recommended book and are inspired to read, write, and get things done. Bye-bye.